I got the deal of a lifetime on Poshmark. I got these barely worn Louboutin heels, and I paid $100 for them.
Alright, y'all. So I didn't record when I was in the house, only because I had to rush and wake up and wash up. So, and it was hectic. We just had to pull over and put my makeup in the bag. That's how much makeup I had to pack. Y'all, we had to stuff in the Larry bag.
You always put makeup in my bag.
You were.
When we went to New York, put makeup in my bag.
O'Hare Airport. I'm ready to get on the plane. So our first stop, we going to Fort Lauderdale, not Miami. I keep saying Florida.
On the way back, we gotta take Spirit.
So we finally made it. I thought we was gonna be late. That line was hella long.
Yeah, sure. Took forever.
Here.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Only on the plane.
Only on the
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're just joining us, this is JetBlue Flight 563 with service to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Please help us accommodate all carry-on bags while storing those suitcases in the overhead bins, wheels, handles facing the aisles. The bags do not go sideways in the overhead bins. Place in laptops, backpacks, purses, food bags, baby bags, man purses, anything small. Completely underneath the seat in front of you. Once you find your seat.
This is JetBlue flight number 563, now departing for Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. Welcome aboard.
My other nigga.
I'm gonna get fucked up.
You ready? Ready? Yeah.
Oh.
Finally made it. We was knocked out. Knocked out. You was knocked out on the plane. Hi, Layla. She like her. I got a pee so bad, y'all. I ain't even pee. Trying to say I'm taking a dookie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all, we had here for y'all, it's super hot in Fort Lauderdale. We just cashed a XL Uber.
Shit.
After the last two canceled on me.
You want to sit back there?
Right here.
I'm saying because it's lit. Shit. He mean to me like I did something wrong.
You did. First you trying to treat. You must have my dookie.
Oh
when I ain't dookie.
You still holding on to the dookie part.
It's hot in these Ubers ain't coming.
That's not my fault. It's hot. I ain't gonna do that.
I love the palm trees.
Man, they
y'all lame.
So dope. It's a Mercedes Benz. Oh, look at them. They have them.
What's these, private condos or something? They do, don't they? Oh, this is like an ocean. I mean, not an ocean. This is like a boat. My bad. We just sitting here. I went to the desk and then we can't check in until 4 o'clock. So we just gonna sit in the lobby if they're gonna have fun. It's just a lot to handle. Cheese. Really? You just gonna steal the camera? No. She probably hungry there. We docking the food. So we only here for one night, y'all.
No. Go.
Right here, lady.
Go ahead. I'll bring him in. Go ahead.
Oh, it's so cute. It's small. Nice.
I gotta keep your makeup in.
Yeah, I'm going to film my hot Miami style clothing haul over here. Stop saying that.
Don't say that shit no more.
How you gonna say don't say that shit no more in a sentence? That don't even sound.
Don't cuss no more. Is that even better? Shoot.
Come on.
I don't care. You shouldn't be cussing.
Well, you the one that's talking. Don't say that. That's a bad word. Welcome back to another tutorial. It's me, your girl, Brianna. Oh, this one though. Oh, okay. Y'all want to get ready with me, honey?
You gonna get fucking the beach view ready?
I gotta take a dookie.
You dirty, man. This is dope. Already, the baby number 2 is in the works.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Stop playing. So this is my fit, even though my titties keep coming out. But yeah, this is me for right now. Stick. Is it cute out there? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Y'all, so my nigga
Here you go with this nigga shit.
proposed to me. It's like a
Ain't no
commitment.
fucking nigga propose to her. She already know this. Quit fucking
Come on,
playing
take
with
a
me.
picture. I like this window right here. This window dope.
What is you doing?
Get on that.
Stop. Demon seed. You see this? Bad child. You're bad. Oh, they just landed in the
They
water.
about to.
I would have been scared as all hell. Oh no, the boat thing. The boat, they on. So they doing it from the boat and they going up. Yo, I wish shit on myself.
I want to do that.
Me too.
Shoot a deuce. And then after that, y'all probably see me either eating or I don't know. I'll meet y'all in the next. I don't know, I'll just meet y'all. I want to try this lemonade. Oh, I see him.
Right there, on the gate, under the gate. Man,
He little.
that's how they.
No, it's not. No, in Tampa, it was a big one. Like, no, they mouth them. What them things is, and they be like, yeah, those.
Oh yeah, cause them things don't get that big. Getting big. You know how long you get out of here when you driving?
Shit, hello.
Man, about almost like you going to Chicago.
Good, y'all. Look at that. You gonna have and dance to the tune. My mom was just telling me that this restaurant is based off of Forrest Gump. I don't know if y'all ever saw that movie, but that's what she said. And I think she lying. No, it's I'm just playing. Oh, it's a little Jenny catch with lobster and butter sauce. That's what I said.
All the
The Rockets, I don't care what nobody say. They not beating Golden State.
Boy, them little
they
bitty
got Carmelo.
Like 19
not that good. I mean, my 50.
Not that good. That shit was whack.
Don't look around.
That shit was.
He tried to send somebody coming.
On GD, I had to kill a roach.
Boy.
I had to kill a roach, man. I swear to God. Never again.
You irritating. I'm gonna finish it up. What about to go take some pictures downstairs? The fuck is he doing? I don't know. Mama curl your hair fast. Didn't she? To go downstairs and take some pictures. Come on. Somebody fake.
Bitch, we going to Jamaica Beach. Keep something out here.
Yeah, right.
We're going down. It's hot in here. Oh, your eyes are so pretty.
Thank you.
Take pictures for her.
Okay. Yeah, that's what we want to do downstairs.
Yeah, you're right.
Did it myself.
Please. No, he did it. I did it. You lied.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm saying, bitch, how I'm supposed to see?
Oh, yeah, look there.
Why didn't they dim the motherfucking lights and shit?
Where you want to go to take a picture?
I'm gonna say we could. So let's go over there and see. Look at that blue booty. Little chocolate drop booty. Nah, girl. Yeah, bitch. The fuck I staring at shit. Oh, white folks.
I could drop them coins.
Hell yeah, bitch. It's it's the $sign Alex MUA, bitch. Girl, shit, I need some points, bitch. Make a bitch. Let me know, baby. I'll send you a private video. Butt booty naked, bitch. They think I'm playing. I'm for real. Oh yes, okay. Oh, do one like when you walking up here. Oh yes.
Wait, I forgot my thing, y'all.
You ready, bitch? Oh.
I moved.
You ready? Ooh, that was, we should do a slow-mo video of you doing that. Oh, bitch, you was turned off. There ain't got enough, girl. Get some more pictures.
I think I blinked.
Come on.
So cute.
You got Uber?
Huh?
You
Yeah,
got Uber?
I got Uber. But he got credited on his phone. When my battery low,
You said he got what?
credited on his phone.
What does that mean?
That means when you credited the money, like when you spent it, I think my thing is about to die. So I'm just gonna end it right here. So today, well, I might end it right here. I don't know. But today was fun. We came to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I mean, it was decent. I really like it. I would love to stay here for a little longer, but we got a board and cruise tomorrow, so I don't know. I'm so excited. I'm going to a club. I don't know. So, what do you say?
He said he sent the address. I'm going to come through.
Okay. So, I'll see you guys on the next vlog.